Yeah, I'm back again now. I work me at the YouTube channel. You see me, so me already, me outside, me inside, me outside, me inside. Who remember the future? And they are public. If you're close to a public, you can get one of them. And they are public. Alright. So let's get into it then, right? I don't know, I look on the rain and fall and I go on easy and I hear people whom I know now, I tell me, say, the top in the ceiling, they say the landlord boy to come fix that forever. And then I want to come in and place come fix it. I'm going to move like some fool like that. High rent to pay after that. You see me? And the boy don't want to come fix it. So, but let's move it on. Because in my place, I don't feel something to go cry in my place and fix nothing. Go suck your mama. Your place, Matty boy. Come fix the place. If you ain't Mr. D, a man text, you know. You know, I realize the man text. So, you know, I come feel like, say, yo, no, man. There are people around do and I sit in a bill for this, so you can chat some more. You see me I say? But let's jump into it now. The woman then. And the woman then I did now. I did it first. I feel like most of the problem start from only, you know. Because you know so we love you know, you can't make a move without you know. You know the battery, you know the engine of the car. See? You know so we out in the road and we are doing something. See? What make you not find something to do with the money? And one time we come now and man mash up, man drop a hell, man get dashed, man there graveyard, man whatever go on. You don't want to come run no more. It starts from on. See? Alright, I don't have too much to do with man them more than I say me look up peace because I love you know and I don't want to hate me. So watch I know. Fast forward now. My brother then. Right? Here we are going. I can't talk like a boss. I'm not a boss yet. So I can't talk like a boss. I'm a boss. I'm a boss of my own circle. I'm a boss of my own thing. I do my own thing. You see me? Guru, State Line Entertainment, Guru Charge. You don't know the artist. Me not try to fix no man lifestyle, brother. You see me? But I have brothers and I have sisters. You see me? I have more sisters, as a matter of fact, than brothers. You see me? I don't try to make this quick and spicy. You see me? I say, I edit my own thing, I produce my own thing. Woman, you know what I mean? I employ people around me, I will spend the money around me. The joy is around us. You see me? Me are the money. You see me? Yeah, go. I might think this, and I mean, I don't like say thing about no man thing, but I mean, you know, if you get no highlight, that's not tell me look at the glass, look at the virus. So yeah, you see me? I showed some video. I don't want to be seen. That's why I'm go on and do my thing. Because I already understand the whole thing. I produce an artist, plus engineer, everything like that. You see me? So, you understand the road? But I also do that. Your job is to be a brother. Your job is to be a brother. You don't have no more job on the earth but to be a brother's keeper. You see me? Because I can't charge for the 10 different things. I need to go and prove myself. You see me? I know say as a boss you forward a certain type of way sometimes, but you have to understand where you come to hide them, you come to take a stress cause them thing. Sleepless. Because I try to take the whole of the out type place. You see me? I try to take every man out type thing. Now, what reason you have to hate a man thing? Answer the question. I want to come in the comment section. The answer? What reason you have to hate a man for something that belongs to you? You don't have none. You never practice that. Big up to Papa Jack, big artist. Big up to Ken. Big up to Dan, my school boy. You see me? We not grow up. Big up to the boy Mackie. You hear me? Big up to Papa Jonah Rama. You hear me? Big up to the whole sketch. Yo, I know people, but you hear me? I say, I find that right now. We not grow up here. See the brother rise and eat from them. Control your ego, youth. Control yourself. You see me? All the job you got to be a brother's keeper. You don't have to be my keeper and be next warrior to your keeper. And that, man. And that. And drinking, big up your damn self, fight back and pull through them after one thing like in your spine, you pray, say a thing about yourself. And as a cargo and a friend thing, but you can't be a son of prayer and go play favor. You see me, I say, it's a real nigga. Me all do my part. I must see who they deny me. You see me all do my part. Me can't preach certain things and then when they can't and I live a certain way. You see me, big up to all our people, such man them over there fight them thing and nobody want to you see me, go on do the thing. But we have to level up there. We have to level up and do the right thing. You see me? And they come back and start and come on them. You see me, we need them to do the right thing. And again, drop in the comment and show me what you reason about. Because we have the one thing. I remember saying me upload one thing, we control one thing, and I have the one thing. You see me, the one boss. So, me just have some different kind of premiums in me when you know say, if you follow me, me watch channel. Me personally go watch channel. You see me, I pick my hand pick like stitch my people and me. I mean good to everybody. You see me, but we have to start. No, because we are fighting something and we are foolish. You see me? Out of talk. Because we are fighting sitting as one people and then we are do some things in our own. Yeah, and nobody no one really attend to that. Everybody have no one pushing further. Let's not do it right now. You know? Life sharp. Life not cheap. Life is expensive because you can't get here again. Take care of yourself. Look out for yourself. Or if not, find somewhere you can feel the energy there. Not stay on the man them in the end like them. Go along about your business, God. Go do something different. You don't have no reason to get a man thing. That's what I'm on there right now. And these are man a street nigga, me live my life a certain way. You don't have no reason to get a man thing. No, that. No. I'm not join that. Hey, no.